I believe we were live. I tried live streaming earlier, but it stopped. Oh crap, oh crap. Okay. We're live. I'm eating, so hold on. Oh god! Bro. There we go. That literally wasted like 10 years. Like legit took 10 years just to grab a key. Okay, that's unlocked, that's unlocked, that's unlocked. I don't have the key card yet. Oh my god, he's good. Okay, yeah. Go. There. Give me the key card. Okay. Oh, bodied. Bro, eat the key card. Bro, just eat it. Okay. Couple key. So this is my friend's map. It's like a FNAF one. She's stuck on the floor. Never mind. Okay. Oh, that door's open. That's nice. Okay, what's in here? White key? White key. Okay. Where's the exit? Oh, it's only the boards. You don't got the hammer, don't you? Okay. I'm just trying to get the lock off first so we can just get the hammers. Okay, we got those done. Oh god, no. Jackson, brother! Phew. Okay. Oh, wait, what do you have? Oh. Buy me her. Low! You joking? I need the gun. Oh god. Oh crap. Okay. Come on. Let's go. I'm out of here. Ugh. Bucktooth McGee. Oh. Cool. Let's play chapter 1. Okay. So, okay, he left. Okay. Leave, kid. Okay. That's still me. That'll never be me. Not in a million years. Did we get it to load? Okay, is he on now? Oh, yeah. Alright. Is he? Okay, there he is. I'm in, boy. There he is. My game's not even fully loaded in. Sup? Sup, loser? Kid. Oh my god, I'm getting doubled on. You can hear the gunshots go off like 3 times. Okay. Power's out, bro. No way we have to beat this. We just joined. Officer Doggy. Respect, but I mean, I don't respect you, so. Bro, get out! That's the creep. Wait, what key is it? You have the right key? Go, let's go! Oh, but he's guarding it. That's some bull. Yeah, I'm gonna say it, guys. I'm gonna say it one day. Shoot the mother. You had 1 shot. You blew it. Jackson, don't commit suicide. Is the code out? Code done? Oh, go! Man with that juice. Man with that juice. Bye, Felicia. Go. Girl. Jackson, run. Yay. Okay. Sure, Jackson. My boy, Jax. My boy, son Jack. What's up, son Jack? Yay, 360. Oh! Bro, my boy Dip be camping. Oh, coach right there. We glitch and I have an idea. Dang it. Fire. Oh, she left. Fire. Let's go, Fire. Fire. My boy got the ham. Dog. I'll distract him for you. Go. Hit him and run. Do a hit and run. We can get out. No, we need the code. We need the code. If you can just shoot my boy Dog. He's a puppy. He's a pup. Oh, she gets the gun. She used the water gun. Bro, shoot it. She got the gun. We're out. Boys, we out. Okay, I can see his blue eyes. He's actually bear trapping there's something called skill that my boy Piggy don't have. Watch this. Psych! We thought we're not getting out of here. Oh, we too good. What was that? Okay, watch this. Oh, it hurts. My Jackson! Go! That was your chance to go around. Trap's gone. Don't you dare. Oh, I'm so scared. Taunt him, dude. No! I might forget. No! You bastard! Look, it's my boy. We got a free area now. Go. Jump over it. Take one for the team. He has to be that guy. The guy that's camped all the time. She had the gun. She had the gun. She had the gun. She had the gun. I gotta go find it. Shoot the loser in the face. And she's dead. So, gun. I need a gun. Just shoot my boy, Piggy. Oh, yes. My boy, Piggy. I thought I saw it for a minute. My boy, Piggy needs a break. So I'll put him in the ground today. Oh. I don't know. Maybe because you look like that. Just playing. Oh, shit. Run. Wait. Bitch. Where you at? Okay. Okay. Bruh. Not bruh. He was. That's not. This is called taking one for the team. No! 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 Oh! That's the... Lol. No. Watch this. Code. You gotta be freaking kidding. Got stuck. Great, now he's probably there camping there. Again. Let's go. Too good. 20 seconds on the dot, I think. I'm too good. Let's go. Oh! With your wooden sword, yeah, right. For the boys. I won. Alright. Wait, what map is this? Oh. Again? Well, I'm not gonna be able to record this round, so, I mean. Thank you all for watching. And yeah, see you on the next one. Peace out, boys.